Africa Animals. Chapter 1. Hi, kids. Welcome to the African Animal Kingdom. Glowing Star, today, we're going on an adventure to explore this amazing place and meet some super cool African animals. Are you ready? Let's go. But first, don't forget to put on your adventure goggles. Look, there's the king of the savanna, the lion. Lion-faced lions are incredibly strong animals, and they love living together in groups called prides. Did you know that a lion's roar can be heard up to 5 miles away? Add lion roar sound effect, isn't that amazing? Try roaring like a lion. Kids, don't you think a lion's mane looks like a big, royal crown? Wow, over there we see elephants. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. Their ears are like big fans. They help shoo away flies and keep them cool. Their trunks are super handy too. They can grab things, drink water, and even say hello. Elephants are very gentle, especially with their families. Kids, if you had a long trunk like an elephant, what would you do with it? Wow, look over there. It's a giraffe. Giraffes are the world's tallest animals, and their necks can be 2 to 3 meters long. Their long necks help them reach the tasty leaves at the tops of trees. Did you know that giraffes only need to sleep for 5 to 30 minutes a day? Isn't that amazing? How many pillows do you think a giraffe's neck would need to sleep comfortably? Wow, kids, we saw so many amazing African animals today. There were mighty lions, gentle elephants, and tall giraffes. Africa is such a magical place filled with wonders. Globe showing Europe Africa next time. We'll discover even more awesome animals together. Which animal was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next adventure. See you next time. Bye-bye. Africa Animals. Chapter 2. Hi, kids. We're back in the African savanna. Today, we're going to meet some new animal friends from Africa. Are you ready for another adventure? Let's get started. Look over there, it's a zebra. A zebra's black and white stripes aren't just for decoration, they help them hide from predators. Did you know? Every zebra has a unique stripe pattern, just like our fingerprints. What do you think a zebra's stripes look like, kids? Barcodes or ribbons? Wow, there's a hippo. Hippos love staying in water to keep cool. Their mouths are enormous and can open up to 120 degrees. Don't underestimate them though, hippos are one of the strongest animals in Africa. How big do you think a hippo's mouth is, kids? Big enough to fit a watermelon? Look, there's a rhino. Rhinos have thick skin that acts like armor to protect them. Their horns are super strong and can be used to dig the ground or defend themselves. The most common rhinos in Africa are white rhinos and black rhinos. Do you know how to tell them apart? Guess what, kids, are white rhinos really whiter than black rhinos? Look over there, it's a warthog. Warthogs look a little funny with their big snouts and curved tusks. They're great at digging up soil to find tasty plants and insects. When they run, their tails stick straight up like little flags. Do you think warthogs run fast? Try running like a warthog with your tail sticking up. Kids, today we met so many amazing African animals. Zebras, hippos, rhinos, and warthogs, each one is so unique. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Next time, we'll explore more exciting animals. Bye-bye. Africa Animals. Chapter 3. Hey there, adventurers. Welcome back to our African animal adventure. Today, we're going to meet some amazing new animal friends. Are you ready to start this magical journey with me? Our first friend is the otter. Otters are super fast swimmers and very smart. Did you know they use rocks to crack open their food, like shells or crabs? Their tool-using skills are just amazing. Kids, do you think it's hard for an otter to use a rock to open food? Can you imagine using tools like that? Look, it's a hawk. Hawks are the kings of the sky, with super sharp eyes that can spot prey from far away. When they aim at their target, they dive like an arrow to catch little animals. They're the speed kings of the skies. Kids, if you were a hawk, how fast would you want to fly? As fast as the wind? Next up, the very mysterious leopard. Leopards are quiet hunters, sneaking up on their prey in the grass. Then, they pounce like lightning, moving with incredible speed and agility. Their speed and stealth make them perfect hunters. Kids, can you sneak up like a leopard? Try walking slowly and see how quiet you can be. Lastly, let's meet the wildebeest. Wildebeests are the expert travelers of the savanna, migrating long distances across the plains to find water and food. Did you know? Every year, wildebeests take part in one of the largest migrations in Africa. It's one of the most spectacular sights. Kids, can you imagine traveling with wildebeests? If you were a wildebeest, where would you go? Today, we met so many amazing African animals. Otters, hawks, leopards, and wildebeests, each one is so unique. I hope you enjoyed this adventure. Next time, we'll meet even more animal friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Africa Animals. Chapter 4. Hi, kids! Welcome back to African Animal Adventure Episode 4. Today, we're going to meet more amazing African animals. Some are great jumpers, some are super fast runners, and some love living in caves. Are you ready? Let's begin today's adventure. Wow! Did you see that? Those graceful leapers are called springboks. They are some of the best jumpers in Africa. They can leap up to 3 meters high and cover 15 meters in a single bound. This special jumping style is called pronking. It helps them escape predators and show off their strength. Kids, can you jump like a springbok? Try it now and see how high you can go. Look over there, it's a cheetah. It's the fastest land animal in the world, reaching speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3 seconds. That's faster than most cars. Cheetahs have long legs, a lightweight body, and a strong tail to help them balance and change direction easily. Kids, if you were a cheetah, how fast would you like to run? This is an aardvark. Aardvarks are nocturnal animals, which means they sleep during the day and come out at night to find food. They love eating ants and termites, using their long tongue to scoop up thousands of them at a time. Aardvarks also dig burrows, and sometimes other animals use their abandoned tunnels as homes. Kids, if you were an aardvark, how deep would your burrow be? Today, we met some really cool African animals. Springboks, cheetahs, and aardvarks, all with their own amazing survival skills. I hope you had fun on this adventure. Next time, we'll discover even more fascinating animals. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you next time.